miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel that way.
Hey boo, hey! Back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Reshine Hair, and we have worked with them many times in the past. As a matter of fact, y'all, they sent me a long straight unit. I want to say that unit was like 28-30 inches. It was pretty long, and it was very affordable and bomb. We love them. So they asked me, could they send me something else? And you know, my little bald-headed, silly, slightly drunken self said yes. So thank you, Reshine Hair, for sending this over. If you look in that description box on your way to subscribe, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as all of the details from Reshine Hair, okay? All I did was take this out of the packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all, okay? Let's see what we got, sis. All right. So not only did they send the wig, they also sent a bunch of other stuff. I mean, it's your normal stuff. They sent the edge brush. They sent some light skin stocking caps. They sent a care card on how to care for the wig. That's it. And all that jazz. Y'all don't care about that. Y'all worried about this. Okay, I'm gonna read directly off here. Like I said, you look in the box. Okay, it says that this is a 24-inch, 180 density, loose, deep wig. When they do that, it makes it so easy because y'all know normally I'm fixing to mess up everything about this wig. So thank you for putting that on the bag. Okay, I see they put some other, some that look like it's about to be scientific. Okay, so I guess they showing you the difference in the lace. You got transparent lace, you got HD lace. Let's see. Okay, this is the transparent lace. Ooh. And that's the HD lace. I guess they showing you, I guess they showing you that I can't even show you that counter. Okay, the HD lace on the bottom looks a little bit more see-through to me. Okay. HD lace, transparent lace. I'm gonna put that hopefully in some little video footage showing you a little better example of that. So let's see. So there's a reason why they put that in there. Now take out this packaging. Let's look at this. Y'all know loose deep is my favorite pattern because you ain't gotta do nothing to it. Okay, this cap construction on this unit, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, a strip of lace, and in the front, you get all this parting space. Okay, I wanna say that's like a 13 by 4. Might be by 6. You get a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and a comb at the top. And all of that lace. I love loose deep. Before we even cut off this lace, oh, I guess they trying to show you that their lace is bomb.com. Let's cut off this lace. And we're gonna see if we like this unit because I can tell you now that the curl pattern is gonna be absolutely gorgeous. Let's play around with it and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Powder on this or any glue. See, and I must say that lace does look pretty damn good, huh? Yeah, that's pretty bomb. Okay, let's continue. Because you don't have to do anything to it. You run your fingers through it and you're good to go. But outside of that, the ease of this unit, y'all, not having to use glue, no powder, none of that extra stuff. This is right up the alley of a beginner. I always say, I've been wearing wigs for a long time, but I'm still not a wig slayer. I mean, you know, I'm your cousin, your auntie in here playing her hair. So if it was easy for me, I promise that it is easy for you, whether you are a wig slayer or a wig beginner. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. Didn't take anything. I was honestly sitting here like, what else needs to be done? Because, I mean, it was just easy, 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 easy. I can 1010% recommend this. But y'all, I find us with any human that we've gotten from, any human hair unit that we've gotten from Reshine Hair. And that's why we continue to work with them. Because y'all, it really is just easy about. This hair, like I said, is, keep in mind, 24 inches and 180 density. So keep that in mind when ordering. If this is too big for you, I would probably go down to like the 150 density. I think that this length is so doggone gorgeous. But I even think it would be cute like at this length, huh? Like look, remove this, and y'all, that's a whole bop. Ain't that a summer look? But anywho, this is absolutely gorgeous. I 1010% recommend this one. Don't forget to subscribe. If you look down in the description box, you'll see a coupon code, direct link to this wig and all the other wigs, because this one is a bop. I'm gonna try to remember in the description box to put other reviews that we've done by Reshine Hair down there too. 1000% recommend this one. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Tina. Maybe it's your Uncle Thomas. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Reshine Hair will get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.